on. Big ass tree there on the other trailer. Oh, no. Happening this way. Ooh, shit. Got trees down all over up in here. I can't go way far back right now. Freezing shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. That tree fell on the other trailer. Oh my god. Got them at the power line though too. They're just on the power line. All the fences down. All that's down. Trees are on top of it, so you can't even tell. That's the tree up there. Oh my god. Oh jeez. And there's stuff down all over here. God, you can't even see because the trees everywhere. Can't even get back here. Y'all gotta stay right there, Maya and Kato, for a little bit.